welcome back to my channel. My name is Abike. If you're seeing this face for the first time, kindly subscribe please and put on the notification bell so you can get notification every time I post a new video. And to my old subscribers, thank you very much guys. I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the fact that you guys decided to be part of this happy family. I'm grateful guys. Thank you very much. So today guys, I want to talk to you guys about some of the reasons why your whitening supplements might not be working for you. Yes. So if you're interested in the reason why, maybe why these supplements are not working, you've used few of them and it's not working for you, stay tuned. So, my lovelies, before you start your whitening supplement journey, you should detox. Yeah, you should detox. So that can get rid of all the toxins in your body. What can you detox with? You can detox with anything. You can use water and lemon. You can use the detox, some of the detox teas. You can use some detox tablets like frozen detox and many other ones like that. So I think before you start, try and detox for like a week or so before you actually start the journey. At least any build up, any pile up toxins that's been stored in your body, the detox can help you get rid of it easily. So when taking the supplements, when you actually start taking the supplements, avoid alcohol, avoid smoking, avoid carbonated drinks, avoid caffeine. Minimize on your intake of tea. You know, all these things actually affect how effective these supplements can be. So please, I think you need to adjust your lifestyle a bit. Also drink plenty of water. It's really important. You have a lot of rest and just live a healthier lifestyle and it will work. Make sure you're drinking your 2 to 3 liters of waters every day. 2 to 3 liters every day. That would really, really help. Have enough sleep, guys. It's really important. Because when you don't sleep enough, that's when it actually ages the skin. So you get all the lines and wrinkles. So it really makes your skin look aged. So sleeping is extremely important. Having enough beauty sleep is important. And like I said, a lot of water. Yeah, at least 2 to 3 liters daily. Because guys, you don't want to spend all this money and not seeing the results. It's pointless. Because these supplements are not cheap. So to sum it all up, make sure you practice a healthier lifestyle. Healthier lifestyle would help your supplement to work better. So it does work. It's just you that you need to adjust certain things. And don't get me wrong, even if you're doing all these things and it's still not working, just bear in mind that everyone's system is different and it will take different time. Because it worked for somebody within a month doesn't mean it's going to work for you within 2-3 months. Just be patient and do everything that you need to do and you will start seeing results. It might not be as quick as you want it to be, but just be persistent and be patient and you see results. Thank you very much for watching guys. I really appreciate you. And I hope you guys are keeping safe. You're wearing your mask when you go out. You're washing your hands when you come in. You know, so I do really hope you guys are keeping safe. So please guys, keep safe. God bless you all. Don't forget to subscribe. Please like this video, share it, subscribe, and put on the notification bell, please. Until next time, take care of yourself. Bye.